Hi everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku of today's newspaper, a tectonic puzzle, and today's newspaper is May the 4th on a Monday 2020. This Sudoku is a tectonic, aka a Suguru, so let's get started. Alright. Find the single box. If we have a single box in this tectonic, yes, I see a single box here. This is a single box. This should be a 1. Do we have a dual box? No. We have a triple box here. Only 1, 2, and 3 in there. 3 is already filled in, so this should be 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. It cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill a 2 in one of those 3 boxes. So it should be a 1 here, and this should be a 2 there. That means I cannot fill a 2 there. I cannot fill a 5 there. So this should be a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes. So the other two numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 3 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 3. We have a 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. This is a quadra box. 1, 2, 4. So these 2 cannot be a 1. These 2 cannot be a 3. So we have a pair 1 and a 3 here. I see here 3. So this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3. And this should be the 1. Here we have the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be here or there. How about the 4? 4, yes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 4. 2 boxes left for the 4 should be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. The other 2 are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. This should be the 5. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3 and a 4 are left. 3 and a 4. 3. We have a 2 here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 should be here and there. We have a 1 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 should be here or there. This box cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes here as a pair. 1 box left should be the 4. Then 3. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes here or there. So this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes here or there. These 4 boxes cannot be a 1. One box left for the 1 should be here. That means this box cannot be a 1. We have a pair 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1 there. That means 1 box left for the 3. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes here or there. The 3. We have a 4 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. The 4 goes there or here. This box should be... This box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill a 2 in those 2 boxes. So, the 1 cannot be, the 2 cannot be, the 3 cannot be, the 4 cannot be. 1 box left for the 5. This should be the 5. Alright. So we have a 4 there. Can this be a 3? No, this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, these 4 boxes I cannot fill with a 3, and that box cannot be filled with a 3. So this should be a 4. But can it be also the 2? That's the question. The 2. The 2. Yes, the 2 can be everywhere here. So, not too soon with the conclusion. 1, 1. Yes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes there or here. But I see here 3, so this cannot be a 3. The 3 should be here. That means the 1 cannot be placed there. We have a 1 here. So the 1 should be here. We have a 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. It cannot be a 5, otherwise... Oh, no. One conclusion. 1, 2, 3, 4. This box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill one of those 2 boxes with a 2. So the 2 should be definitely here. Cannot be... We have a 1, 2. This box cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill this with a 3. Cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill with one of those boxes with a 4. So 1 digit left for the 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes there. Cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes there. And the 4 can be everywhere. 1 and the 4 are left. Yes, 1 and the 4. This box cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill one of those 2 boxes with a 4. So this box cannot be a 4. The 4 should be here and there. So 1 box left for the 2. Here we have a pair, 3 and a 4. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill anymore a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Same like here, cannot be filled with the 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here. The 3 cannot be filled in those 2 boxes with the 3. And I cannot place the 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 3 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. We have a 3 here, so this should be a 4, this should be a 3. We have a 3 here, so this should be a 2, this should be a 3. Then we have the 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. The 4 should be here or there. The 1 cannot be here, so the 1 should be here or there. And the 5 could be everywhere. Done. Then. Oh, apologies. I bumped again. My camera almost fell. These 3 numbers boxes cannot be a 3. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. Suppose we have a 1 here. I cannot place the 1 here, otherwise these 4 boxes cannot be filled with a 1. We have a 1 here, cannot be filled a 1 there, so this cannot be the 1. This should be a 1. So we have a 2 and a 4 left. 2 and a 4. Here also 2 and a 4 left. Suppose it's a 4, that means those 4 boxes cannot be filled with a 4. And this box, because we have a 4 here, if a 4 filled in this box, I cannot fill a 4 there. Same like here. So this cannot be a 4. This should be a 2. This should be a 4. We have a 4 here, so this should be a 2. This should be a 4. We have a 2 here, so this should be a 5. And this should be a 2. How about this? This box should be a 5. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. We have a 1 there, so this cannot be a 1. This should be a 2. This should be a 1. We have a 1 there, so these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So this box should be a 1. 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. The 2 cannot be filled here. We have a 2 there, so the 2 should be there. And the 5 goes here. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. The 2 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, so this should be the 2, and this should be the 4. That means in this area we have a 2 here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so this box should be the 2. These 2 boxes cannot be filled with a 1. We have a 1 there, so 1 box left for the 1 should be this one. 1, 2, the 3 are missing, and the 4. 3, 4, 3, 4. And if the 4 is here or 4 or is there, this cannot be a 4. So this should be a 3 and this should be a 4. Okay, so we have 1, 4, and 5 left here. 1, 4, and 5. This cannot be a 1. 4, 5. I need to wait. 1, 5. This is important. Alright, 4, 5, 4, 5. That means, how about this box? 4, 3, and the 2. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This could be a 2. Yes, could be a 2. Oh, am I stuck here? This box cannot be a 3. 1, 2, 3. Cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot place the 3 there. We have a 3 here. So the 3 is only this place. The 3 cannot be placed there. We have a 3 here. So 3 cannot be placed there. So the 3 should be here. So now we have a pair. 4 and a 2. 4 and a 2. 4 and a 2. If it's a 2, then can I place the 2 here? It's a 4 here. This should be a 4. This box cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill with the 4 in one of those 2 boxes. This should be a 5. This should be a 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4. This should be the 1. This cannot be a 1 anymore. So one place left for the 1 should be this one. This cannot be 1, so this should be a 1. This should be a 4. Because we have a 4 there, so this should be a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be a 5. Almost finished. We have 1, 2, 5. 3 and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4. This box cannot be a 4 because we have a 4 there. If I place a 4 here, these 4 boxes cannot be filled with the 4. So the 4 only left in this box, but we have a 4 there. So only place for this is the 2. This should be the 4. That means these 4 boxes cannot be filled with the 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. 3 and a 4 are left in this box. We have a 4 here, so this should be a 3. The other 3 numbers are the 1, 4, and the 5. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5. This cannot be a 5, so this should be the 5. The 4 and the 1 are left. 4 and the 1. And I cannot fill the 4 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in those 2 boxes. So this should be a 1, and this should be a 4. So now, the 3 and the 4, we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be a 4, and this should be a 3. Yes, finish in 18 minutes. Alright. I'm very pleased, very well pleased. Otherwise, sometimes we have a 4-star Tectonic, and it took me more than 30 minutes, so it's a hard one, and I hate that, more than 30 minutes. But I have completed this in 18 minutes. Do you think this is a great Sudoku Tectonic? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want. Hit that bell icon if you want to be notified by YouTube when I have uploaded new ones. Thank you for watching this edition, and I will see you next time. So keep on puzzling. Bye bye.